Unlock the secrets to profitable wholesale deals by mastering Propstream's powerful analytical tools. First, we need to understand what the property is actually worth in Propstream. Navigate to your target property and click on the Comps tab. This will pull up recent sales data for similar properties in the area. Pay close attention to the sold properties, as these give us the truest indication of market value. Look for properties with similar square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and overall condition. Filter these results to ensure accuracy. Focusing on sales within the last 612 months. Next, we estimate repair costs. While Propstream doesn't give exact repair numbers, it provides valuable context. Use the Property Details section to understand the age of the roof, HVAC system, and other major components. You can also see a TV show tab, which sometimes provides a general condition assessment for more precise estimates. You'll need to factor in your own knowledge or consult with contractors. A good rule of thumb for wholesale deals is to budget between $10,000 and $50,000 for necessary repairs, depending on the property's condition and location. Now, let's calculate your potential profit. We'll use the after repair value, ARV, from your comps, subtract your estimated repair costs, and then subtract your desired investor fee. This gives you your maximum allowable offer, MAU. Your goal as a wholesaler is to get the property under contract for significantly less than this MAU to leave room for your buyer's profit and cover any closing costs. Finally, consider your exit strategy. Propstream helps identify potential buyers. You can search for cash buyers in the area via the Investors tab. Knowing your exit strategy from the start, a circumflex euros. Whether it's selling quickly to a flipper, a buy-and-hold investor, or even a retail buyer after light cosmetic upgrades, a circumflex euros will inform your offer and analysis. A successful wholesale deal hinges on accurately assessing value, anticipating costs, and having a clear path to your buyer.